Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a color filter to a video on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on the Photos app. In Photos, tap on the Library tab at the bottom. And in your library, open up a video that you would like to apply a filter. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top, and then in here, tap on the Filters button, and on the icon on the left hand side is the original video format. If you tap on the buttons on the right hand side, it will have different filters that you can use. So here is a vivid filter, vivid warm, vivid cool, dramatic warm, and so on. Now just swipe across and select one of the filters that you would like to use, and then tap on done. And that's it. So now we have applied a color filter to a video on the iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.